Hello friends, welcome to EduPanther. Now in last two sessions we solved question number 1 to 5 and today we will be solving question number 6. So let's start. Now figure shows two forces each of magnitude 10 Newton acting at a point A and B at a separation of 50 centimeters. So you can refer this diagram in opposite direction. Now calculate the resultant moment of force of two forces about the point A, about the point B and about the point O situated exactly at the middle of the two forces. So what is that question? We have two forces, F is equal to 10 Newton. Similarly, F is equal to 10 Newton at two different points A and B. And this is the point O, which is exactly in the middle of these 2 points. The distance between these 2 points, perpendicular distance between this A and B is what? 50 centimeters. See, I said perpendicular distance because the exact distance will be what? This will be this distance, A to B, A to B. But this is the perpendicular distance, which is 50 centimeter. Okay, so what we have to find out? We have to find the moment of force at point A, about point A and about point B, and the last one is what? About point C. So let's solve for point A. For point A, so we have two forces. What is the moment of force? Formula for moment of force, it is nothing but force into perpendicular distance. Force into perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance of what? It is the distance of the force from the point. So here you can see that, see, if you want, you can simplify this diagram like this. You have this point A, you have another point B, you have another point at O. O is what? Exactly in the middle. So the total distance between A and B is what? 50 centimeter. So one force is acting on this point, one force is acting on this point in downward direction. We have to find out the moment of force. So force into perpendicular distance. So when, let's say this is F1 and this is F2, this is F1 and this is F2, or you can say that FA means force acting at a point A and this is FB, force acting at a point B. So the moment of force due to this force F1 or FA will be what? It will be about A will be what? It will be 0. Why? Because for this case, the force FA is exactly applied along the line passing through this point A. Means what? That force is what? Acting at a point A. So its distance from the point A will be what? 0. Distance from the point A will be 0 and hence the moment of force will be 0. Moment of force due to FA about A will be 0. Okay. Now for the second case. Second case means what? About the force, about the same point, but because of the force FB. So again same formula. Moment of force, force into perpendicular distance. Now see, this force is acting at this point and we want to find out about A. So the force is at a distance of 50 centimeter. At a distance of 50 centimeter from the point A. So what you will write, that is FB, that is the second force, into the distance is what? 50 centimeter. So 0.5 meter ho jayega. So FB is how much? FB is 10 Newton. So 10 into 0.5. So 10 5 is 50. 1 point ko decimal, so that becomes 5 Newton meter. And now see, because of this force is acting downward. So what will happen? This is the about A. So what will happen when the force is downward? So this will rotate like this and it will be clockwise. Now second case, this is for point A. For second case, sorry, we have to find out resultant of these two forces. So that is very simple. Resultant moment of force will be what? Moment of force will be simply 5 Newton meter. Why? Because we have only one force बिकॉज ऑफ विच वी आर गेटिंग टर्निंग इफेक्ट. सी एफ ए का पार्ट तो जीरो हो गया था बिकॉज वो तो है ही नहीं वहाँ पे, वो तो एग्जैक्टली उस पॉइंट पे आ रहा है, तो उसका मोमेंट ऑफ फोर्स जीरो हो जाएगा. सो वी गॉट एफ मोमेंट ऑफ फोर्स बिकॉज ऑफ द second force only. Now, so this was the for point A. Similarly, we can find for point B. Now see, जैसा A में किया हम लोग ने exactly point B के लिए कर सकते हैं हम लोग. कैसे कर सकते हैं? See, FB is exactly acting on the point B, so the moment of force due to FB will be zero. So we'll write directly the moment of force due to FB about B will be simply 0. Why? Because that is exactly on the line. And for moment of force due to FA, this is the second force, about B will be what? Force into distance. So force is 10 Newton and distance is this one again. So 0.5 meters. So 10 5s are 50. So decimal point. So this will be 5 Newton meter. 5 Newton meter. And what will be the resultant? Resultant will be same as this one. Resultant will be resultant moment of force. Resultant moment of force will be simply 5 Newton meter, and it will be again clockwise. It will be again clockwise. See, FA is acting on this point now. So when you apply force like this, so it will, and about point B, so it will move like this. So this will be a clockwise direction. Okay. Now the third case. Third case is what? We have to find out moment of force about O also. And O is what? Exactly in the middle. Exactly in the middle. So let's start. That is FA now. So moment of force due to FA about O. So again force into distance. See, force is 10 Newton, and what will be distance of point O from this A? It will be simply 25 centimeter. So that is 0.25 meter. 0.25 meter. So 10 into 0.25 is what? 2.5 Newton meter. 2.5 Newton meter. So this is the point O, and force is acting in upward direction. So it will be again a clockwise. Okay. So we'll write clockwise. Okay. Now the next case. We have to find out force due to FB. So moment of force due to second force, that is FB, about O. Moment of force due to second force FB. So again force is same, that is that 10 Newton, and about O. So the distance of that force, perpendicular distance of that force from this point O is what? Again 25 centimeter, that is 0.25 meter. So when you multiply this, you will get 2.5 Newton meter, and again it will be clockwise. So what will be the resultant in this case? Resultant moment of force. Resultant moment of force, that will be simply addition of these two. See, both are in clockwise direction. Both are in clockwise direction. So we can write it as minus 2.5 plus minus of 2.5. That will be simply 5 minus 5 Newton meter. Minus 5 Newton meter. So we can write it as 5 Newton meter clockwise, because minus sign shows that the rotation of that object is what? Is in clockwise direction. So we finished that question number 6. Now, so that's it for this session. In next session, we will try to solve that question number 7. Thank you.